What is up, royals? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Toddler and this is my garden. We don't have anything planted yet, but we are about to refresh this garden. We're gonna put in some new soil and some compost, and we might even plant a few seeds today. We'll see if we make it that far. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the garden is looking like. It's pretty bare, but I am excited. Come a month, we're gonna have some greenery up in here. It's gonna be good, y'all. So let me show you. All right, so this is the right side of the garden. This is Adonis's garden bed. Adonis is my son, if you are new to this channel. He has his own little kid garden bed, and then this is my garden bed. So both of them are empty. They are ready to be refreshed. Over here on this side, we don't have anything going on yet. I'm not sure what I want to put in these grow bags, but we'll do a little something. We gonna see. We gonna see what we can work out. I also wanted to plant up my Dollar Tree stackables that I planted in the spring. I want to plant those up for fall and see what we can grow in those. So I'll be planting those really soon. Stay tuned for that video, but let's go ahead and get into refreshing these garden beds. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna be working with today. Okay, so I went ahead and got some more potting mix because we need to top up these garden beds. They're a little low. Well, mine's is a little low. Adonis's is a little bit, his is pretty good. We have some azomite that I'm going to use. I also have some manure, and we have some worm castings that I'm also going to throw in. And then we have our compost. This is organic compost with mycorrhizal fungi. And yeah, so basically I'm just using what I have. So we're gonna go ahead and start with my garden bed, and I'm just gonna fluff up the soil a little bit. I'm gonna add the potting mix first. nice and refreshed. They have all the nutrients. Did the garden? Come here. Say hi.
Hi.
Say what's up, Royals.
What's up, Royals?
Say I'm doing my garden today.
I'm doing my garden today.
Yeah, so he was excited. Ooh, it's blurry. He was excited to get out here today and plant a few things. I think I'm gonna let him put some peas in today, and then we'll come back in a couple days and put in a few other things. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do and what I want to grow, so I have to see. I'm a little pressed for time, so we'll put some peas in for him, right? We're gonna put some peas in? Yeah, we'll put some peas in. And okay, so for the peas, I think I want to put them on this trellis, so I'm gonna put this trellis over here for the fall, because when I put it back over here in the spring, it was hard to get back there to harvest because I had put cucumbers on here, so it was kind of hard to get to them. So I'm gonna put them in his garden bed and see how they do, and hopefully I can put some stuff in the center and it'll still grow. I think it'll do okay. We're just gonna try it out. We're gonna go with the flow. Let's do it. Okay, so she's in. She's a little bit crooked, but I mean, who's gonna notice? She's cute. I like it. Okay, so we're gonna go with that. We're gonna see how it works. Tell me what you think. I feel like it's gonna be blocking my view of this garden, but it's a good change. I think I like it. I think I'm feeling it. I think I'm feeling it. So we're gonna leave it there for now. We're gonna go ahead and put these peas in. They should pop up pretty quick, and we'll be right back.
Swiss fries.
So what is it?
It's Swiss fries.
Swiss fries? Swiss chard.
And Swiss chard.
And what are these?
And Swiss chard.
And those are peas, right? Okay, so he's gonna plant some peas and some Swiss chard. Okay, let's do it.
I'm gonna put it in here.
Come around here.
Strawberries can come up.
So the peas can come up, right?
And the strawberries.
I hope we have enough peas.
Yeah, right?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know if we have enough peas. We're gonna see though. 1. Yeah. Okay. Now I need you to drop them in the holes. Okay.
I'm gonna drop them in the hole. One.
Ready? Get one and put one in a hole. Put it in that one. Good job. Can you put it in another hole? Find another hole. Hold on. There you go. Good job. Okay. Those holes might be a little too deep. Let's fill them in just a little bit. Okay. Good job. You put it in a different hole? Put it in that one. Wonderful. Let's try this one over here. This hole right here. Yep. And go to the other side so you can put it in the hole. Good job. Good job. Looks like candy.
Yeah.
Oh my, it's not candy, it's vegetables.
So look. It's a circle like candy.
Yeah. Which one you gonna put it in?
This one.
Adonis is planting his garden bed. You're doing a great job. Not in that one. Put it over here because it doesn't have a trellis over there. Okay, if it pops up, I guess we'll just see what it does, huh? Okay, I'm gonna help you because you're too short. Your arms aren't long enough over here. Wonderful. Give me a high five. Boom. Okay, so I think we're gonna do Swiss chard. The rainbow Swiss chard. These are really pretty. I really like them. I'm trying to figure out what's the best location for them. I'll probably end up putting these on the inside. We'll put these on the inside because they're bigger. And then we'll put some smaller things around the outside so that they can get sunlight. Okay? We're going to put them in this hole. Right here.
These are not really big. See what?
I know. Put those in there. In that one. And then we're going to put some other stuff. We're going to do some beets too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let me get the beets.
Okay. Okay, so I found some more stuff. We're going to do some beets and we're going to do some purple top turnips.
And carrots.
I've grown the purple top turnips before and they do pretty well. So we're going to put these along probably the outside of the bed and see what they do. That's exciting. Some good stuff. We planted some beets, some turnips, some peas, some Swiss chard, so we are super excited. And then we'll do my bed tomorrow, so I'm excited. Yay, fall garden, here we go. So that wraps it up for this video. I didn't get to my garden bed today, so that will probably be in the next video and we'll see what we're gonna put in mine. I'm not really sure. I might go to the garden center and get some starts, like some broccoli starts or some collard green starts because I'm a little bit late in the season, so we'll see. Say bye.
Bye bye.
All right, see you in our next video.
Bye bye.